Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. We have changed the script and the format of the Quran here, and I'd like to get feedback on what you guys think, inshallah, on this one or the previous one. On any case, I've also added here, right under the Arabic letters here, you have the transliteration, and then under it you have the English translation for each word. Okay, that might help you in learning the Quran. Nonetheless, we're going to continue where we carried off on ayah number 10 in Surah Ali Imran. This is Surah number 3, verse number 10. So let's get started. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We'll start right here. Inna. Okay, this noon has a gunna, so there's a nasal elongation of it. Inna, where you hold it like that. Okay, Inna ladina. So this noon goes straight to the lam here. This drops. Inna ladina. Notice sometimes that's not shown in transliterations. Inna ladina kafaru. Inna alladhina kafaru lan. Notice the noon has a sukoon here followed by a ta, right? What does that make? That makes it ikhfa. Inna alladhina kafaru lan tughniya. So this is tughniya anhum. Anhum. So inna alladhina kafaru لن تغني عنهم أموالهم. أموالهم. One hesitation I have to showing the transliterations is you start to rely on them too much and it'll slow up your reading, but we'll try it in this video and get your feedback, okay? عنهم أموالهم ولا أولادهم. Wala, this la, wala is called what? Mad. Mad. That's the tajweed rules when you make something longer and extended. Wala aw. So this hamza, aw, la duhum. This lam is extended. Wala awladuhum. And then these two memes join. Okay? These two memes join. That's called idgham. There's an assimilation. Okay, assimilation. Awladuhum min Allahi. Mina. And then the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Whenever you have a fatha before, this is called lafdhul jalala, the supreme name of Allah. This drops, goes to the lam, but there is a way that you say Minallahi, not minallahi, minallahi. Okay, keep an eye on that. We've repeated this a few times, but when you're reading, make sure you get that right. Minallahi shay'a. If you're going to stop, you would say shay'a. Otherwise, if you're continuing, you say that as shay'an. Okay, minallahi shay'an. Wa'ula, so wa'ulaika. Okay, you have the u hamza with a dhamma, waw sukun, la. This is a mad. Laika hum waqudun nar. Waqudun nar. They are fuel for the fire. A'udhu billah. Let's continue on. One more ayah, inshallah. We'll go from here, okay? And continuing on, ayah number 11. Kada'bi, ali, okay? So what did we have? Kada'bi, kada'bi. This hamza with a sukoon, and the way we're reading, kada'bi. You would just completely stop your breath, your voice, everything, kada'bi. Okay, كدأب آلي. آلي فرعون. Okay, فرعون. Wa, and then this drops goes to the lam. والذين. والذين, and then من قبلهم. من قبلهم. So this min, nun sakina followed by qaf makes ikhfa. من قبلهم. Jim, good place to stop. You would stop there. من قبلهم. And then continuing on. كذبوا. كذبوا look at here. بآياتنا. بآياتنا. Okay, make sure you extend them exactly where it needs to be. بآياتنا. فأخذهم. 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 And then Dhamma or Fatha before Lafzul Jalala, the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, makes it said with a full mouth, they call it, okay, in Tajweed. فَأَخَذَهُمُ اللَّهُ. هُمُ اللَّهُ. فَأَخَذَهُمُ اللَّهُ بِذُنُوبِهِمْ. بِذُنُوبِهِمْ. Notice here, بِذُ, you don't extend this. The noon you do because of the waw. بِذُنُوبِهِمْ. And then you can stop there. Wallahu. Notice you say Wallahu. Fatha before Lafzul Jalala. Wallahu. And obviously this drops, goes to the lam. Wallahu shadidu. Shadidul iqab. Wallahu shadidul iqab. Jazakumullahu khairan. We'll see you soon in the next video. Let me know if this text overall was better, and if you liked it more, inshallah, I can use that. Jazakumullahu khair. We'll see you next time. Sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.